This week, we wanted to showcase McGrew Equipment Auctions. McGrew always puts on an excellent sale, and as you can see in this clip, they have great inventory. We will be on site this week at McGrew performing inspections ahead of their June 9th sale. If you're interested in any of these machines, you can go to our website, bidwiseauctioninspections.com, and you can pre-select the lot numbers that you would like us to inspect for you while we are there. We are streamlining the bidding process, and we hope to help you buy your next deal.